good rainstorm last night, so the Sheep's Bridge Road is kind of a mess. So we're headed up there to get a Dodge Ram 3500 out of a little mud hole just right off the road. So we're in the Winterton rollback. We'll probably just drop the bed and give him a quick winch out or give him a pull with the old rope. So after getting the UTV takeover out of the way, we was glad to have a few days to recover from those 14 or 16 hour days of pulling people in and out of the beach. So this ought to be a pretty simple, easy little job, and we'll take you along for the ride. There, asphalt, the dirt transition's the roughest part of this road, except for maybe that cattle guard there. Dirt road. Oh look, another motorhome on a dirt road. That's a Cruise America. All right, we're working our way over here. This guy's only about a quarter mile down this road, which is not very dang far, so we'll just idle in here nice and easy. Give him a quick tug out and we'll be done with her. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. I was already in the rollback, so we decided to just run up here and grab him real quick, so no big deal at all.
I wouldn't have to worry about dragging the, I don't want to drag the jack on the back left side and rip it off the camper. I mean, it's got some clearance now, and we just need to watch it if we're going to go forward.
Right. If I hook to this front right, you can start leveling it back out.
Yeah, but I don't think it's going to take much, but both left tires are in pretty good. Well, that's 12,000.
I know. Yeah, I'm with you. Too big of a deal. You guys probably heard me say that a whole bunch, but it's not that big of a deal. Pretty cut and dry, as I say a lot. But we snuck down there, hooked up the winch to those big old tow hooks that Dodge put on their trucks, and thank you, Dodge, for putting tow hooks on your truck. So we're gonna sneak our way back out of here, get back to the shop. It's about quitting time. Sun's going down. Days are getting short, so we like to get out of there at a plenty decent time, get back to the family and enjoy that. So, as always, appreciate all the support and thanks for coming along for the ride. Well, thank you, Spencer. You guys remember Spencer from SG3 Towing? We did a couple tow outs for him. So thanks for the referral on that one, appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one.